Earthquakes rock the Philippines, New Zealand, South Pacific, China, Russia and Indonesia. In the early hours of Tuesday, May 10th in the Philippines, a magnitude 5.8 quake struck 165 kilometers southeast of General Santos in Mindanao, while New Zealand's quake-ravaged Canterbury region was rocked by yet another aftershock 20 kilometers west of Christchurch, this one registering 5.3 on the Richter scale. Off the coast of the nation's North Island, a magnitude 5.3 struck the same day, centered 331 kilometers northeast of Gisborne. In the South Pacific, a powerful 6.8 temblor occurred 134 kilometers southwest of Isangel, Vanuatu, and 149 kilometers northeast of Tadine on the Loyalty Islands of New Caledonia.
This quake was followed by several aftershocks, including one of magnitude 5.7 on Wednesday. On Tuesday evening in Eurasia, a 5.4 magnitude quake jolted the China-Russia border 75 kilometers northwest of Vladivostok, Russia. In Indonesia, the next day, a magnitude 5.1 temblor rumbled 83 kilometers north of Ternate in the Maluku Islands, with one of 5.0 in magnitude hitting the Philippines 91 kilometers east of General Santos. There were fortunately no reports of casualties or damage for any of these events.
We thank heavens for the protection of those in the quake-stricken regions. Let us strive to eliminate potential disasters such as these through our more benevolent, eco-stabilizing lifestyles.